29th, 2025. Thank you, Mark, for starting the recording. We'll stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Pledge allegiance to the flag, of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all. Okay. All right, Miguelina.
Yeah.
I don't know, Mark. Good morning, Mark. George, good morning, Mark.
Good morning.
Mark is the super at Woods.
Very good. Sal,
He's the one that runs the show out there. Well, Miguelina does, but Mark runs the field.
Mark's Schweitzer's starting problems.
I know. That was
Miguelina, we'll leave it at that. Miguelina runs everything.
Yes.
okay. Joe, did you get a chance to look through the minutes? Any issues from your side?
No, I didn't.
No, Rodney sent a bunch of modifications over. George, thank you for updating those.
All addressed. I spoke to him.
I'll make a motion to approve the meeting minutes for August 1st and August 15th.
I'll second the motion.
Any discussion? All right. So all in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Okay. On to updates.
Who's going, Mark or Miguelina?
Yeah.
Or
No.
Mark?
Yeah, let Mark start and we'll fill in as we go. Go ahead, Mark.
So happily, we all three schools opened up on time. We are now gone back to kind of working second shift. We have a little bit of work going on during the day, which is non-intrusive up on the roof. We have some startups going on with rooftop units, but work at night is kind of getting our rolling completion list started and getting our own version of our punch list going at all three schools, getting some work done. But so that's kind of where we are right now, waiting on the punch list from BL. And then we'll continue doing that as well at night for the next few weeks.
I didn't see Jesse on the call. Do we have a date for did the walkthroughs happen from BL?
Walkthroughs happen for architectural. Mechanical, we're getting ready to set those up as well.
Okay. So you're just waiting for the feedback from the walkthrough.
Correct.
Okay. Thank you.
We did
Just
get
a quick
punch list
update,
last
everyone.
night.
We just received it. There we go. We just received it last night for all three schools for the architectural punch list.
Good. The only thing left is the armor tax, which is the storefront, call it the ballistic rated or the secure, that system. Mark, I think Mark Schweitzer, you're working through the payment procedure with Cherry Hill, correct, on that one? So it could ship out of Long Island?
Yeah, and I did speak with Scott this morning. North Stratfield is ready to go. The Cherry Hill should receive it on Tuesday.
Good.
And then with the Rex and the payment, they'll be getting, well, as it gets ready, they ship it. So
okay.
So there's a path forward with it.
So possibly we'll probably start seeing them next week. You think?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
He's in his yard on Tuesday.
Yeah.
And then he's got to see. Supposedly they ship it.
Yeah.
The frames all together, doors and frames. He may have to break it down to be able to get it up to the site, as far as take the doors out and be able to manhandle it into place.
Yeah.
But that's when he gets it on Tuesday and shakes it out and sees what he has and how they can put it in.
Yeah, that's no problem.
We'll go from there.
So Sal, we'll coordinate closely with you as it relates to the installation timing and whatnot, just to make sure, and obviously the administration for each school likely will end up being probably second shift, because that's the main entry point to the schools. Okay, fair enough. Thank you.
And
Mark,
then,
you worked out the payment with Cherry Hill in the sense of they're fronting the money, all of that's all set up.
yeah,
whatever has to happen.
we're working it out.
Very good.
Yeah.
Then the other items I have, we're setting up a commission. We have a commissioning meeting set up next Wednesday to get all the parties together. The commission agent, the tester and balancer, the mechanical contractor, and the project team to go over that. How we're going to do it, how after the units have been started up. So that'll take place next week. And also the other item I have is we are setting up a kickoff meeting for Tomlinson. Gilbane will be mobilizing to the site in the next couple of weeks, so we will want to get together with the school and make introductions and get that ball rolling as well.
So that's to be scheduled in the near future.
Yes.
Yes.
And then the only other item I have, and this is mostly for Joe, is part at Osborne Hill. We had a existing PA system that needed to be put up onto a countertop. We got going and we got a proposal from the school's vendor to do it. We used the committee chairman's approval to get that done prior to the start of school. So and we charged it to the audio video line item in it. So we have money budgeted for it and it got taken care of before the start of school.
Do you have that as an ATP in the ATP list, Mark?
I do not. I can put it on. I'll put it on next time. But I just wanted to introduce it here to this meeting.
So Sal, they're limping along in the interim, I assume.
No, it is done.
Oh, it's all done. Okay.
Yeah, it got done Monday.
There's still some neatening, final neatening up that needs to occur, but it's the bulk of it is done. More than 95% done.
Okay. Wonderful.
We'll call it punch list.
Okay. Any roof leaks this week?
No, they went around, Mark, maybe you can speak to that. They went around, chased all the issues. Obviously, I don't think it rained much, but Mark, go ahead.
Yeah, no. So we've gone around to each of the 3 schools and flashed areas that we knew were active leaking areas, and those have been taken care of. So no, as of this week, there were no active leaks.
And I don't think I've heard, is North Stratfield's roof done?
North Stratfield is they're actually just doing some of the detail work now. So yeah, sort of kind of done. It's not 100%. We still have them working at night. We have to do some edge metal still. But for the 95% of it is complete at this point. Yeah.
Mark, the rip and replace is complete.
Correct.
All right, so more of that metal flashing and stuff around the edges, the
Correct.
aesthetics.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, other updates from the North Stratfield, Osborne Hill, or Woods? I assume there's nothing on Fitt's house. We're waiting. Winter's coming. Quote Game of Thrones.
Winter is coming.
Winter's coming. The town attorney's, doing his thing. Gave him some documents in an email exchange.
Okay.
Earlier this week, Mark, or last week.
Yeah, this week.
This week, and he said thanks, helpful. Talk to you later. So
Okay.
He's on it, doing his lawyer thing.
Okay. And the intercom system, that the emails around the intercom system, day or so ago.
Sent yesterday. That work is taking place on Monday, I believe. the school's vendor is coming in to correct. So once everything is detailed and we get the invoice, it'll be going to Gilbane to settle up with the subs.
Is that damage at the control unit or is it at the heads?
I understand,
It-
reading, my thought was it was in the above ceiling.
Okay. So the negative, that means that we're popping panels.
Correct.
Okay. So I'm just making notes. Okay. Any other updates? Mark or Mark?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Nope, all set.
Joe, any questions on your side?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Tomlinson?
Tomlinson, we're doing the kickoff meeting with the school staff, scheduling that.
Yeah, we should be seeing the units shop drawings soon too. We got information from Ferguson earlier today saying that they're in the process of submitting on the units. So that's a good thing. So moving forward on submittals.
Okay. Okay. If there's no other questions on Tomlinson, we'll move on to quick review of the contingency log. I don't know, Mark, if there's anything new or not.
No, nothing new. I mean, the newest one is the PA system that I don't have on here. So we'll have this updated for next meeting. But there have been no new PCOs
Okay.
or ATPs.
So the non-shaded is not reflective of new or changes, it's just not updated.
There are new items since the last 2 weeks.
Okay. Okay. So moving on to ATPs for approval.
Yep.
And there are no ATPs for approval this week.
No ATPs.
Okay.
And it's
So moving on to
it's
invoices.
just invoices. So we have Cherry Hills 4, 5, and 6 that covered June, July, and August. I don't have and then we have Van Zelm for July into August, their invoice. So the total on the invoice packet is $270,729.50.
All right, I'm at a disadvantage here, Joe. I didn't do the math. Do you have the packet open? I can restart.
Yeah, I'm doing it now. 270. Can you go back one slide? Thank you.
Yeah. I was trying to get to the Excel file that I sent.
So the Cherry Hill total is 258, 651, 60. And then we have Van Zelm.
Okay. So you want to make a motion for Cherry Hill approval?
Sure. I motion to pay the 3, 4, 6, 9 Cherry Hill invoices for a total of $258,651.60.
Okay, I'll second the motion. Any discussion? Okay, hearing none. All in favor?
Aye.
Okay.
And I'll make a motion to pay the Van Zelm invoice number 53802 in the amount of $12,077.90.
I'll second the motion. Any discussion on Van Zelm?
None for
Okay,
me.
hearing none. All.
Aye.
Aye. Okay. All right. Old business. All right, I don't have my notes. I don't know of any old business we haven't covered yet. We did the roof. Okay.
Have those bricks been addressed that had to be removed? Off the top of my head, I forget what school it was, but they were all marked as the door was fine, but they needed to be removed.
Are you talking
Yeah.
about at the electric room at Osborne?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, they have not been removed yet. So we're looking for a time frame when we can get that done. And we'll schedule that with ordered and current.
Right.
Okay. Joe, any new business on your side? I have none.
None for me.
Okay. Sal, anything we missed from your side?
No.
All right, Mark? Good.
Good on my side.
All
All
good.
right.
Very good.
Okay, our next meeting is, scroll down a smidge.
Yeah.
There we go. Next meeting is September 12th. And I will make a motion for adjournment.
I'll second that motion.
All in favor? Aye.
Aye.
Okay, again, apologize for being tardy, everyone. Have a great Labor Day
No
weekend.
problem, boss.
Thank you.
And